friends, I am Jyoti Hikar and today I am going to talk about the digestive system. So let's start. What is digestive system? Our digestive system is a network of organs that help you to digest and absorb nutrition from your food. It includes your gastrointestinal tract and your biliary systems. Your gastrointestinal tract is a series of hollow organs that are all connected to each other, leading from your mouth to your anus. Your biliary system is a network of three organs that deliver bile and enzymes through your GI tract to your bile ducts. Then gastrointestinal tract, the organs that make up your gastrointestinal tract in the order that they are connected included your mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, and anus also. Then biliary system, your biliary system, it includes your liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and bile ducts. Then, what does the digestive system do? Your digestive system is uniquely constructed to do its job of turning your food into the nutrients and energy you need to survive. And when it's done, that it it handily packages your solid waste or stool for disposal when you have a bowel movement. Why is digestion important? Digestion is important because our body needs nutrient from the food we eat and the liquids we drink in order to stay healthy and function properly. Nutrients include carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Our digestive system break down and absorb nutrients from the food and liquids that we consume to use for important things like energy, growth, and repairing cells. Then we see the anatomy. In anatomy, the first we see the mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, the digestion tract uh, before we even take a bite, our salivary glands get active as we see, and smell that a pest dish and a warm bread. After we start eating, we chaw our food into a pieces that are more easily digested. Our saliva mixes with the food to begin to break it down into from our body can absorb and use. When we swallow one, our tongue passes the food into your throat and then into your esophagus. Then esophagus is located in our throat region near our trachea, that is a windpipe. The esophagus receives food from our mouth, and when we swallow, the epiglottis is a small flap that folds our windpipe as we swallow to prevent you from choking. A series of a muscular contraction within the esophagus called peristalsis deliver food to your stomach. But first ring muscles at the bottom of the esophagus, called lower esophageal sphincter, has to relax to let the food in. The sphincter then contracts and prevents the content of the stomach from flowing back into the esophagus. When it doesn't, and this content flow back into the esophagus, we may experience acid reflux or a heartburn. Then stomach. The stomach is a hollow organ or a container that that holds food while it is begin mixed with the stomach enzymes. These enzymes continue the process of breaking down food into a usable form. Cells in the lining of our stomach secrete a strong acid and powerful enzymes that are responsible for a breakdown of a process. When the content of a stomach are processed enough, they are released into a small intestine. The small intestine is made up of three segments, that is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine is the 22 foot longer muscular tube that break down the food using the enzymes released by pancreas and a bile from the liver. Peristalsis also works in the organ, moving the food through and mixing it with digestive juices from pancreas and livers. The duodenum is the first segment of a small intestine. It's largely responsible for a continuous breaking down process. The jejunum and ileum, lower in the intestine, are mainly responsible for absorption of nutrients into a bloodstream. Then pancreas secrete digestive systems and enzymes into a duodenum that break into a protein, fats, and lipids or carbohydrates. The pancreas also make insulin, passing it directly into the bloodstream. Insulin is a cheap hormone in our body for metabolizing sugar. And then go forward to a liver. The liver has many functions, but its main job within the digestive system is to process the nutrients absorbed from a small intestine. Then we go forward to the gallbladder. Gallbladder stores and concentrates a bile from a liver and then releases into a duodenum in the small intestine to help absorb and digest fats. Then colon is responsible for processing waste, so that emptying your bowel is so easily and convenient. It is 6 foot long muscular tube that connects to the small intestine to the rectum. Then we go forward to the rectum. The rectum is a straight 8-inch chamber that connects to the colon to the anus. Then anus. The anus is the last part of a digestive tract. It is 2-inch long canal consisting of a pelvic floor muscles and the two anal sphincters, that is internal sphincter and external sphincter. And the lining of upper anus is able to detect rectal content. It lets you know whether the content are liquid, gas, or a solid. Thank you.